Neoliberalism is a slippery word that means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. In mainstream economics, it's usually associated with market economics and market reforms. So it's where prices really provide a lot of information to consumers and to producers. And it's also usually associated with a limited government intervention. Only really the government intervenes where there's a clear market failure. The evidence since at least the 1990s shows that neoliberal reforms have had an enormous impact on poverty reduction globally. It's of course especially true in Asia, but even in Latin America and Africa we see extreme poverty falling significantly over the last 3 decades. Of course, the term is also used more critically by scholars outside of economics. But often what happens is that the way that it's used perhaps for deregulation or globalization or for inequality is completely different from how economists would use it. And so my request is that in future, when someone uses the term neoliberal, that you actually ask for a definition of what it is. Otherwise, there would be no common understanding of both the gains and the potential costs of neoliberalism.